welcome to the Bare Metal Cyber CISSP Prepcast. This series helps you prepare for the ISC squared CISSP exam with focused explanations and practical context. Today's episode marks the final entry in this series, and it's all about what comes next. After achieving your CISSP certification, what doors open up? What strategic steps can you take to keep advancing? Whether you're aiming for senior technical roles, executive leadership, or specialized paths, the CISSP is just the beginning. In this episode, we'll help you build your career and certification roadmap beyond the exam with clear guidance on roles, credentials, education, and long-term growth strategies. Let's begin by talking about the value of your CISSP certification and how to leverage it. Once you've earned your CISSP, you're positioned for advanced roles like Information Security Manager, Cybersecurity Architect, or even Chief Information Security Officer. This credential signals to employers that you understand broad security principles and can operate at a strategic level, but the value of the CISSP goes beyond the resume. You can use it to gain trust, grow your influence, and help elevate your organization's overall security posture. It's also a great opportunity to mentor others, participate in leadership discussions, and connect with cybersecurity professionals in your network. Think of the CISSP as a launching point. It opens the door to further certifications, graduate-level study, and executive roles that shape the future of cybersecurity. Now let's look at some advanced certifications that pair well with the CISSP. The Certified Information Security Manager, or CISM, is an excellent choice if you're targeting high-level managerial roles. It focuses on governance, risk, and strategy, perfect for leaders who want to bridge business and security. For professionals who specialize in risk, consider the CRISC certification. That stands for Certified in Risk and Information Systems Control. It is ideal if your focus is on risk identification, response, and continuous monitoring. If your interests are cloud-focused, the Certified Cloud Security Professional, or CCSP, is a logical next step. It builds on the CISSP with a deep dive into cloud architecture, operations, and compliance, helping you secure cloud environments effectively. And if you're drawn to audit and governance, the Certified Information Systems Auditor, or CISA, is a great fit. It enhances your ability to assess systems, ensure compliance, and conduct audits in complex enterprise environments. These certifications don't replace your CISS, they build on it, adding focus and specialization that align with your evolving career goals. Let's shift to career paths. The CISSP is a generalist certification. It gives you breadth across all domains. But after earning it, specialization can bring even more career growth. You might specialize in cloud security, incident response, application security, or compliance management. Roles in security architecture and privacy leadership are also in high demand, especially as organizations adopt stricter regulatory frameworks. And don't overlook opportunities in niche fields like industrial control system security, Internet of Things, or security for artificial intelligence systems. These areas are rapidly growing and often underserved, meaning your expertise could become very valuable. Choosing a specialized direction helps you stand out. It also enables you to command higher salaries, build deeper technical skill sets, and position yourself for promotions or strategic roles. Specialization is how you move from foundational knowledge to targeted impact. For further cybersecurity career resources, expert-authored books, advanced certification guides, and practical training materials, please visit cyberauthor.me. Equip yourself with everything you need to continue your cybersecurity growth journey. Now let's talk about higher education. If you're considering long-term career advancement, pursuing a graduate degree may be the next step. Many professionals look toward a Master of Science in Cybersecurity, an MBA with a security focus, or even a doctorate in information assurance or security leadership. Advanced education helps you develop the strategic thinking, management capability, and technical depth needed in executive roles. It gives you a broader view of how cybersecurity integrates with business, operations, and national or international regulation. A graduate degree is especially helpful if you're planning to transition into academia, public policy, research, or senior-level strategy roles in large enterprises. It complements your CISSP by giving you the language, tools, and frameworks to lead at the highest level. Next, let's focus on leadership. Earning the CISSP is often the first serious step toward executive security positions. This includes roles like Chief Information Security Officer, Vice President of Information Security, or even Chief Risk Officer. These roles require more than just technical knowledge. They demand strategic vision, policy development expertise, and strong communication skills. If you're aiming for one of these leadership roles, start developing skills in stakeholder engagement, executive reporting, and risk governance. Take on responsibilities that stretch beyond your current role. Volunteer for cross-functional projects, speak at industry events, and seek out mentoring opportunities. These activities show that you're ready to lead and can effectively represent cybersecurity to the broader business. Leadership is a journey, and the CISSP gives you a strong foothold. The next steps involve actively building your leadership profile and expanding your impact. Another essential part of your post-ISSP journey is community involvement and continuous development. Cybersecurity evolves quickly, so your learning should never stop. Attend conferences, join webinars, and participate in professional forums or chapter meetings. Organizations like ISE², ISSA, and ISACA offer great opportunities to stay connected, informed, and visible in the field. You can also grow by contributing. Write articles, present at events, or mentor newcomers. These activities not only deepen your own knowledge, but also position you as a leader in the community. You'll build your reputation, expand your network, and contribute to the growth of the field. Keep updating your skills. Whether it's learning about zero-trust architectures, understanding how to secure artificial intelligence systems, or diving into blockchain technology, staying current ensures that your value remains high. The cybersecurity landscape isn't standing still, and neither should you. Thanks for joining us throughout the CISSP Prepcast by Bare Metal Cyber. Visit baremetalcyber.com for ongoing support, advanced career resources, and further certifications guidance. With your CISSP as a solid foundation, your cybersecurity career opportunities are expansive and exciting. Congratulations on your journey, and here's to your continued success in cybersecurity leadership.